Hey, I'm Bailey, and today I'm going to be talking to you about different phone plans and which one could be best for you or me or anybody else, and how to figure it out based on how many minutes you have on average per month and different things like that. So, the three different cell phone, what's the word, programs that we're going to be talking about are Sprint, Singular, and Verizon. Um, so, sorry, I have a little bit of notes right here because I couldn't remember all the numbers exactly. Um, so Sprint on average per month is, well, okay, so it's $75.75, and then for every minute it is going to be 30 cents. But then for Singular, it's only 75 cents per every minute. And then for Verizon, it will be 10 cents per every minute, but you would have to add $55.50 to the overall total of all of that. So first off, I'm going to be talking to you about and how much minutes and how much on average do you have to be on your phone in order to make Sprint the better option. So first off, I'm going to start off by writing down how much, like, on average, well, without an average, it would cost. So it would be $25.75, but then you would have to add 30 cents plus whatever, or times however much you're on your phone per minute. So then that will equal your per month payment. So right here is the 25.75 times 0.30, and then X stands for how many minutes you're on your phone, and then this is your per month payment. Okay? And so first off, we're going to start by so for this one is Sprint. Sorry, I'm kind of all over this place. This one's Sprint, and then we're going to write down Verizon. And Verizon's was $55 every month plus 10 cents for every minute. So it's going to be $55.50 times 0.10x, which stands for how many minutes, and then that will equal your per month payment for Verizon. Okay, and then for Singular, like I said earlier, it's just going to be like the 75 cents per minute every month. So that will just be your 0.75x equals your per month payment. So this might be a little bit backwards where I'm facing the camera, but I have all of these written down right here on this paper. And if I flip it and kind of open it up so I have both pages, then I can work right here and still see what is right here. Okay, so we're going to start off by Sprint. How many minutes do you think we'll need to be able to make Sprint the cheaper option, where it's $25.75 a month plus that extra 30 cents for every minute? So in order for me to do this, I took the $25.75 and then I divided this by the 75 cents Singular would have, because Singular is the one that is like the least costing just looking at it, right? Okay, so if I take Sprint's $25.75 and I divide that by Singular's 75 cents, then I will get a total of 34 minutes per month. Okay? And then we can take Verizon's $55.50. So you go Verizon, and then you do $55.50, and then you can subtract that from Sprint's. Sorry, I'm trying to write this all down so I can show you. $25.75. Then that will get you a total of 29 minutes and 75, or $29.75 as a difference between those two. And so what I did is I divided that by 30, or 0.30, because that's the extra minutes that Sprint has. And so then I got a total of 99.5 minutes per month. Just like this. Okay? And so with that being said, Sprint would be cheaper if you have anywhere from 34 minutes to like 99 minutes. Anything over that would kind of be more reliable to go and take a different phone plan. But moving on to the second question, this one is, when is Singular more reliable? And based on the last question, you can infer that anything less than $34, Singular would be the best option, just because 75 cents kind of adds up after a while. And if you do 34 minutes a month, that kind of adds up to that $25 that Sprint would have. And so you might as well just go off and do Sprint. But going on to the third question of this equation, or this question, is when would Verizon be the most useful for you? And so I can take the same equation that I just did, the Verizon's $55.50, and then I can subtract that from the $25.75, and then that will equal the $29.75, which is the difference between those two, and then divide that by 30 cents again to get the 99.5 minutes. So then realistically, Verizon is cheaper if you do anything more than like 99 minutes. Okay, and then moving on, people were asking, on average, if you do 100 minutes per month, which phone plan is going to be the cheapest? And so I already have this written down on my little notes page here. Let me fold it up because I have quite a lot of things right there. Okay. So I have these equations already written down, so I'm going to try to explain them because my time's kind of getting a little far off. Okay, so I took the 100 minutes and I plugged it into each of these equations, or each phone plan type thing. Okay, so for Singular, I did the 100 minutes and then the 75 cents for every minute, and I multiplied those together, and those together equal $75. Okay, so Singular, here, let me get a new piece of paper. Okay, so let me try to write this big. Singular is $75 a month. Okay, let's keep that in mind right there. Okay, and so then I took the $100 and I times it by the 30 cents for Sprint, and after I did that, I got a total of $30. And so then I added the $25.75, which got me $55.75 for Sprint as a total per month for 100 minutes. So Sprint equals $55.75 per month. Okay, and then for Verizon, I took the $100 or 100 minutes and I times that by 10 cents for every minute. And then after I did that, that got me a total of $10 for every minute. But then on top of that is the $55.50 per month fee for that. And so that will give you a total of $65.50 per month for Verizon. And so, as you can see right here, Singular has $75, Sprint has $55.75, and then Verizon has those $65.50. So, on average of 100 minutes, Sprint would be your best option. Okay, and so then for 200 minutes on average per month, I kind of just did the same thing, so I'm not going to go too into that where I've already explained it. But basically for Sprint, if you plug in the 200 to the same equation that I just did, you would get, so you'd get $85.75. Okay, so that is for Sprint. And then for Singular, you times 200 times the 75 cents per every minute. That will get you a total of $150 every month. Okay, and then for the Verizon one, you have to do the 200 and times 10 cents per every minute, and that will equal you $20. Then you have to take into consideration that you still have that 55.